3 o'r gloch. Pnawn da. Croeso I 10 am 3. Welcome back to 10 am 3. 10 at 3. Today, as always, we've got our expert on hand to give any comments. If you've got any questions, please ask. Also today, about halfway through the lesson, we're going to give you a little quiz. So be ready to respond by typing the answers in. Pob lwc. Okay, so yesterday, Gwers Gymraeg, we learned the very useful phrase, ydych chi eisiau? Do you want? Ydych chi eisiau? Ydych chi eisiau coffi? Ydych chi eisiau te? Or the more generic, ydych chi eisiau paned? Or ydych chi eisiau diod? And we can answer if we're answering for ourselves, ydw. But if we're answering for more than one person, we can say ydyn. Okay, ydyn. Yes, we do. Nac ydyn. No, we don't. And today, we're going to build on that little phrase. Now then, to say we or us, we say ni, just like that joint in your leg. I can't pick my leg up that far to show you, but ni. And we are, if you remember, you are, do you, dych chi. So it's very similar. We are, dyn ni. We want, dyn ni eisiau. Try it. Dyn ni eisiau. Eto, and again. Dyn ni eisiau. Eto. Dyn ni eisiau. So, we want a coffee. Dyn ni eisiau coffee. We want a tea. Dyn ni eisiau te. We want a cuppa. Dyn ni eisiau paned. We want a drink. Dyn ni eisiau diod. And maybe by the end of the week you'll have children saying, we want chocolate. Dyn ni eisiau chocolate. Now then, you may have noticed something strange going on with this phrase, eisiau. There's no little n there, yeah? But if we want to use dyn ni with the other phrases we've learnt, then we need to bring back that n. So, do you remember? I read, dwi'n darllen. We read, dyn ni'n darllen. Try it. Dyn ni'n darllen. Dyn ni'n darllen. Dyn ni'n darllen. We read the Western Mail. Dyn ni'n darllen y Western Mail. We watch. Dyn ni'n gwylio. We watch Pobl y Cwm. Dyn ni'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm. Or how about, dyn ni'n gwylio Fit Cymru, a new programme on S4C tonight at 9 o'r gloch, helping us how to keep fit. So we're watching Fit Cymru. Dyn ni'n gwylio Fit Cymru. Bad acting. Dyn ni'n gyrru. We drive a Volvo. Dyn ni'n gyrru Volvo. And what about we like? Dyn ni'n hoffi. Great. So, we like coffee. Dyn ni'n hoffi coffee. Te. Dyn ni'n hoffi te. Rugby. Dyn ni'n hoffi rugby a football. Dyn ni'n hoffi pêl-droed. Okay, let's take a break there. Dyn ni yn mynd I gael quiz. We're going to have this. I'm going to ask you 5 questions. 3 of them will be items I'm going to show you. Let's see how quickly you can type these in. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Beth yw hwn? What's this? And 1, 2, 3. What's this? Un, dau, tri. What goes at the end of my sentence? Dwi ddim yn hoffi. Nesa, what's the next word in the sequence? 1, 2, 3. And the final question is a sum. What's the answer to pimp? Adio pimp. Okay, so we'll let you know tomorrow how quickly you reacted and how you got on. But let's go back. Dyn just to refresh. Dyn ni'n darllen. Dyn ni'n gyrru. Dyn ni'n gwylio. Okay, take you back to last week. And gwers 4, when we got a bit negative. We learned to say, I don't like. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. Ddim yn hoffi. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. So you can see what's coming. To say we don't like is quite easy. We do, dyn ni. We don't, dyn ni ddim. Try it. Dyn ni ddim. Dyn ni ddim. Dyn ni ddim. We don't like. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi. We don't like coffee. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi coffee. We don't like tea. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi te. We don't like rugby. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi rugby. We don't like football. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi pêl-droed. We don't drive. Dyn ni ddim yn gyrru. We're not working. Dyn ni ddim yn gweithio. Or maybe we'd want to say, dyn ni'n gweithio yn y cartre. And hopefully we can all say, dyn ni'n dysgu Cymraeg. So, today's new patterns, dyn ni ddim. Let's revise our numbers again. You count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to hear your Rs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how about dim? Nothing there. 0. Dim. 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 I love today about your maths being worse than your Cymraeg. I'm sure your Cymraeg is da iawn. So, a few more sums just to get those numbers embedded. Dim adio 4. The answer, of course, is 4. 5 adio 3. 8. 7 adio 2. 9. One more thing. We're going to learn the days of the week. We're going to learn them as we go through the week. In English, today is, it's hard to know at the moment, but today is Tuesday. In Gymraeg, the word day comes first, and the word for is dydd. 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 And today is dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mawrth. So we've got gwers 7 on dydd Mawrth. Dyn ni'n dysgu Cymraeg. Yeah. Dyn ni ddim yn gyrru nawr. Dyn ni ddim yn darllen nawr. Dyn ni'n dysgu Cymraeg. Gwylio Facebook. And you can find practice with ni and dyn ni ddim, or if you're in North Wales, da ni a da ni ddim, very similar, just a slight difference in pronunciation, in uned 2 of our entry-level course on ddysgucymraeg.cymru. Also remember, if you'd like to purchase a copy of the book we're loosely following, that can be purchased on gwales.com, and we'll put the address online for you. Diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n mynd. I'm off now. Dwi'n mynd. See you tomorrow. Hwyl. Diolch yn fawr.